I'm Julia. Welcome to Battery Shop.
This 2015 Chevrolet Equinox has its 12-volt battery right here under the hood, and it's fairly easy to get to, but there's a computer on top of it. So before you begin a job like this, we always recommend that you check with the manufacturer's step-by-step instructions to be sure that you're familiar with the project, you have everything you need, you don't forget anything, and you can safely and efficiently replace the battery in this vehicle. Here's how it's done. We are using a memory saver to keep the computer's memories alive as we replace the battery.
The first step is to remove the computer cover.
Next, unlatch the computer and move it out of the way.
The next step is to loosen the fastener for the computer tray, and you need 10mm wrench for that. And remove it. Now we can remove the computer tray.
The next step is to remove the fasteners for the fascia. And move the fascia up and out of the way.
And next, we remove the battery hold-down brackets. You also need the 10mm wrench for it. And remove the bracket. Now with the glove and safety glasses on, we remove the negative battery cable and use the 10mm wrench.
Then, remove the positive battery cable from the positive battery terminal. Now we can remove the old battery. Now we can install the replacement battery.
Next, install the positive battery cable. And tighten the fastener.
Then, reinstall the negative battery cable. But don't pound any of these terminals on, as this can cause internal battery damage.
Now we can install the hold-down bracket. And tighten the fastener.
Now we can reposition the fascia and reinstall the fasteners.
And then reinstall the computer tray. And tighten the fastener.
Now we can reposition the computer
and reinstall the computer cover. And we're done.